Tyler's working. This is the pause. You go straight down. Summer, watch. Straight down. On the right side, you go straight. Then you're going to make the turn down there, and you're going to weave down. The goal is not to knock a pole over. You knock a pole, a break pattern, it'll be a score of 0. It'll be in no time. And then you're going to get to this end, and you're going to have to make the turn and weave back down. Weave. Yes. Don't touch. Don't close the gate yet. We're not up here yet. And then after you get down this time, you're going to make the turn again, except this time you're going to go straight down again. It's going to be straight. And there comes our little Haley girl.